Think a motorhome show is just rows of motorhomes and trade stands? Think again. Join us 17th to the 19th of July at the Norfolk Showground for the Norfolk Motorhome and Campervan Show. Browse hundreds of campervans and motorhomes, compare leading dealers, shop for accessories and get expert advice, all in one place. But there's lots more to enjoy. Watch live music throughout the weekend, visit the advice centre and cooking demonstrations, try bushcraft activities, join the silent disco, take part in wellness and fitness sessions, or simply relax and enjoy the summer atmosphere. There are family-friendly activities, doodle boards, interactive experiences, something for all the family and all ages to enjoy. Join us for the day or camp for 4 nights and enjoy live evening entertainment and soak up the atmosphere for the whole weekend. Book now at warners-shows.co.uk.